Okay, so we're right here by the gate, and we're going to go down here. You see the trading post right here on your right. You see the sign. You're going to drive across the river. And there's 4 cabins over here. So it's 8 will be the first one, and then 3, 4, and 5, and 6 are the other ones. What you're going to do is the river's right here, but at night it's harder to see. So if you look here, this cabin on the left is cabin number 8. I'm sorry, on the right is cabin number 8.